why life insurance is really important. Like, this is the most essential safety net that anybody can have for Birla Capital. And hello to everybody out there, as usual. I'm here again. I don't know what the freak happens. I basically disappears. Okay, so I am Varsha, and today I'll be explaining that why life insurance is really important. Like, recently I have joined as Birla Capital, and I think that this is the most essential safety net that anybody can have. So basically, I was so really curious that if life insurance will be a nice safety net for your family, or it can be a really nice safety net for your 20s. So that was a really big confusion in me that I've been going for since very long. As being a fresher, I just can only focus on my work. I was like that, oh my god, selling policies is really, really hard. By the way, it is, because if you don't have any warm connections, like people who do not understand or thinks that it might help you, but it's just that if they are denying that, it's like not helping themselves. So it's not like that. But what life insurance is basically is like insuring your loved ones and protecting you financially. And the most important part, it gives you liquidity. Even if we are earning like a huge amount, like I can say like 6 to 7 figures, then I can bet that you cannot like roll your money in your bed, or you can roll your money in the market also, just like being saying that this is white money and nothing else. They will consider it as black money. Okay, if you're investing something, you definitely want a big and a high returns, but not only that, it also adds some benefits to it. Like Aditya Birla himself, like they are saying that we give the nicest and the most empowered things. If I would be a person who doesn't know Aditya Birla, then that something would be different. But Aditya Birla, now I can see that each and every, even like a baby knows that who is Aditya Birla. So I can say that the trust makes the people, and the most important part, that the solvency ratio is so good, like 2.05 times, that is 205%. And if I talk about the claim settlement ratio, oh my god, that is the highest among all the 26 insurance company in India. I used to think earlier that it is not, like it's like a waste of money, you cannot do policies. Like, what is the advantage? Because customer always ask for advantage. Important question comes here, that what are the advantages that the life insurance gives you? Okay, first, it gives a peace of mind that your loved ones are protected, even if some case you're not over there to look after your family. On that period of time when money comes, as I can say, it's not less than like a god. Like God is coming himself to help you, because we all know money is so important, right? Like each and every day, I can say money really is the one who helps you at each and every step, whatever you want to do. And knowing your family will be okay financially. And second, it's usually more affordable than anybody can do. Like first I used to think, oh my god, I cannot invest 10 lakh per month or per year. That was my mentality right there. But I just want to make it so simpler that even if you're younger, up above 80, you can in your name. But even if you're not, there are many products that Birla has launched. So it's just very curious from my side that how many people are wanting to connect with Birla after knowing this. So drop a comment below so I can help you. If you want insurance, then even if you don't want, then you can book an appointment with me whenever you want. You just have to comment and get my number. So yeah, that's it from there.